I do the dishes every night now. And every time I do, I think about the day my grandfather made me invisible. I was 15 years old, and I was a selfish jerk. It was a Saturday morning. My mom had asked me to clean my room 3 times. 3 times. And I was lying on the couch scrolling through Instagram, ignoring her. Mom, please. Your room. I asked you an hour ago. I didn't even look up. I will. Later. When is later? I have to start making lunch soon, and I still need to finish the laundry and… Mom, I'm busy. You don't understand. I have so much homework. Plus I have plans with my friends later. She didn't say anything. She just picked up the laundry basket and walked away. I didn't even notice. I didn't see the basket. I didn't see how tired she looked. I didn't see anything except my phone. And then my phone disappeared from my hands. My grandfather was standing over me. Get up, Grandpa. I was in the middle of… I said, get up. You're coming with me. He walked into the kitchen where my mom was starting to cook. I followed, annoyed. Sarah, take the rest of the day off. Go to your sister's house. Stay the night if you want. Dad, I can't. I have to make lunch, finish the laundry, clean the bathroom, pack meals for tomorrow. He'll do it. I froze. What? I don't know how to do any of that. You're about to learn. My mom looked at my grandfather, then at me, then back at him. Are you sure? Go, we'll handle it. She left, and I realized I was in serious trouble. My grandfather sat me down at the kitchen table. He pulled out a piece of paper and a pen. I'm going to make you a list. Everything your mother does in a single day, and you're going to do all of it. Today. Right now. That's not fair. I have homework. I have plans. I was supposed to meet my friends at… So does she. She works 8 hours a day, comes home, and does all this. Every single day. Now. Sit and watch. He started writing, and writing, and writing. 5 minutes later, he handed me the paper. I looked at it. 23 things. 23 tasks she did every single day that I had never once noticed. Number 1, make breakfast. Not cereal, actual breakfast. Eggs, toast, juice. Then clean up everything after. 2, pack lunch for tomorrow. With a little note she always writes. The note I always threw away without reading. 3, do the laundry, sort it first. Whites, colors, delicates. Check all the pockets. 4, clean the kitchen. Not just wash the dishes. Wipe the counters, clean the stove, sweep the floor, clean the sink. 5, vacuum the entire living room. 6, clean the bathroom, toilet, sink, shower, mirror, floor. I looked up at my grandfather. There are 17 more on this list. I know. Start with breakfast. I'll supervise. You cook. I'd never made breakfast in my life. I burned the toast. Twice. The eggs were… I don't even know what happened to the eggs. They were like rubber. My grandfather ate them without complaining. By 11:30, I was trying to figure out the washing machine. Not like that. You have to separate the colors. Why? Because your mother does. Every single time. And you need to check the pockets first. Why? Because your mother has saved your phone from going through the wash twice. You just never knew. I pulled my phone out of my jeans pocket. I had no idea. At 1 p.m., I was on my knees scrubbing the toilet. This is disgusting. Your mother does this twice a week. Does she complain? I didn't say anything. I just kept scrubbing. By 3 p.m., I was vacuuming, sweating. My back hurt. My hands hurt. I smelled like cleaning chemicals. And I was starving because I'd been too busy to eat lunch. I collapsed on the couch. I'm done. I can't do anymore. My grandfather looked at the list. You're on number 12. You have 11 things left, including making dinner. Dinner? I tried to make spaghetti. I didn't know you had to boil the water first. I thought you just put the noodles in the pot with water and turned on the stove. At 5:30, I was standing in the kitchen, staring at a pot of hard, uncooked spaghetti sitting in cold water. And I started crying. Not because I was tired, but because I finally understood. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't do this. My grandfather came over. He turned on the stove burner. Now you know. Know what? How your mother feels every single day. I wipe my face. She does all of this every day while working a full-time job. While helping you with homework you're too busy to do yourself. While making sure you have everything you need. And you don't even look up from your phone to say thank you. I sat down at the table and I cried harder. I didn't know. I didn't know it was this much. It's called invisible labor. It's only invisible because you're not looking. He sat down across from me. Your mother doesn't do this because it's easy or because she has to. She does it because she loves you. Every breakfast she makes is love. Every clean bathroom is love. Every note in your lunch that you throw away without reading is love. I couldn't stop crying. And you've been treating it like it's nothing. How do I fix this? How do I make this right? You start seeing it. You start helping without being asked. You start saying thank you. And you never, ever tell her she doesn't understand how busy you are. We finished the list together, all 23 things. It took us 10 hours. 10 hours for one day. At 8 p.m., my mom came home. She walked in and saw the clean house, the dishes done, dinner on the table, and me sitting there exhausted. You? You did all this? I stood up, walked over to her, and I hugged her as tight as I could. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm so, so sorry. I didn't see. I should have seen. She hugged me back. See what, sweetheart? You. I should have seen you. All this time. That was 8 years ago. I'm 23 now, and I've never forgotten that day. After that Saturday, I started doing the dishes every single night, without being asked. Then I learned to do my own laundry. Then I started cooking dinner once a week, not because my grandfather made me, not because my mom asked, but because I finally saw the invisible work she'd been doing my entire life. My grandfather taught me something that day. Invisible labor is only invisible if you're not paying attention. The people who love you, they're working all around you, cleaning, cooking, organizing, planning, remembering, caring about you even when you're not thinking about them. My mom passed away 2 years ago, and you know what I'm grateful for? Before she died, she knew. She knew I saw her. She knew I appreciated everything she'd done for me. Because my grandfather made me do her job for one day, and it changed everything. So if someone in your life is doing invisible work for you, your mom, your dad, your grandparents, whoever, stop, look at them, really see them, and say thank you. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. While they're still here to hear it, because one day they won't be, and you'll wish you'd said it sooner. Who does invisible work for you? Say thank you today, not tomorrow. Tag them below.